Oh my god, this is so magic. I found a baby paintbrush plushie for 100 points. That is so cool. And I also found a Christmas fruit brush for 100 MP2. Isn't that cool? And weirdly, I found a glowing pet scent paintbrush for 50 MP. That's really, really cool. And the weirdest thing, I also from playing games won 999/999/999/999/999, and I even don't know how I got it. I just played games all day. I know. And Dragon says, "Hey YouTube, thanks for watching this weird vid. Bye." And Dragon says that it is fake. I'm only using JavaScript.